Hi, my name is José Figueiredo. I'm a solution architect at Noesis, and I'm here today to explain you why OutSystems is the #1 low-code platform. So with OutSystems, you can deliver really fast. You use a full-stack visual development environment to design your data model, build your business logic, and create the end-user screens. With just one single click, you can deploy your application into the front-end server. You develop once, and you can deploy your applications to mobile and web devices. The platform brings you some workflow capabilities. You can build asynchronous processes, even with complex logic, and reuse those processes to integrate into your existing applications. With OutSystems, you can integrate with everything. The platform has available pre-built connectors that you can reuse to connect to popular cloud services like Azure or AWS. You can also integrate with SOAP and REST APIs, and even with SAP. The platform brings some templates and widgets that you can reuse to build your applications. You just need to drag and drop those widgets into your screen, and they are ready to be used. If so, you can also extend your application using your own JavaScript and CSS code. With OutSystems, you can develop without constraints. The platform doesn't have a runtime interpreter behind. It uses standard database engines like SQL Server and Oracle, and generates standard code, C#, JavaScript, and CSS. With OutSystems, you can create enterprise-grade applications. Security, scalability, performance, and flexibilities are concepts that are always behind when you are developing in OutSystems. Security. The platform is constantly monitoring your applications and your infrastructure, making sure that your data is protected. You can scale the infrastructure horizontally, adding new front-end servers, or vertically, and even creating clusters if you have to. OutSystems, you can guarantee that you deploy without breaking anything. The platform is constantly checking the code while the developers is building the application, and make sure that the code is consistent without breaking anything. The platform also brings you a built-in DevOps solution. With that console, you can manage the entire lifecycle of your applications, deploying new versions into production without breaking anything. This console is constantly checking the dependencies to make sure that you deploy the entire package into production. Additionally, you can also use the public APIs from this console and reuse your own DevOps tools. The platform is constantly monitoring the applications. With that, and using the console dashboard, you can then identify possible bottlenecks that are impacting the performance of your applications. Let's do a quick demo just for you to see it. So this is the development environment. On the top right corner, you can see 4 tabs. Those are the 4 layers of your applications: the data module, the logic, interface, and asynchronous processes. Let me just create an employee management tool. I will start creating an entity to store the data. Let's add some attributes. And now let's create the screens. I will just drag and drop to speed up the developments and let the platform build the screens for me. There we go. Let's take a look. This is the employee list. I also have the detect screen. For demo purpose, let me remove the protection of those screens and deploy the code to the front-end server. With just one click, the platform is now creating the C# code, compiling the code, and then deploying the code with the JavaScript and CSS files along. Now let's test the application. Let's create a record quickly. And this is it. If you have any additional question, just get in touch with us. We'll be here for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.